How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be playing Leatherface on the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. This is the poster boy of the series. He's one of the best characters in the game. He does a ton of damage and he's very, very fast. And he's one of the most fun characters to play in the entire game. Today we're going to be doing a full damage build, so we're going to be trying to get some kills as quickly as possible to help our teammates out, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So let's hop into the games and get chainsawing. Alright, playing Leatherface on the Slaughterhouse. Bye-bye, Virginia. Let's run around here. Destroy this. Run through here. Destroy this barricade. Now we can kind of loop around without too much. Oh, damn it. They're getting up over there. Okay. Okay, so they didn't get that door open, so I think they're opening this door over here, so I'm gonna come up behind Anna. Yep. Oh. It's well played by her. Okay. Damn, I'm missing these overheads. I'm gonna go upstairs now. Check in here. Hey, Leland. Got him. He got the fuse open, but I killed him, so. Okay. There we go. I was like 2 seconds away from stopping that. What a shame. I should have been on top of it. I want to save my blood because I have a damage build. I have violent. And Anna can tank most of my hits with her ability. We check this door in a minute. I don't think we have. Okay, Cook has a lock on it. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and feed Gramps. Get him another level up. I'll sacrifice the damage. Okay, over by Hitchy. Got her. Well. I'll take it. Time to lock in. What? Oh, I forgot the. I let go of the rev at the last second. What the hell? Oh, I'm tripping. I thought he was way closer to me. I think Julie was still in that room. Got him. I'm gonna go this way, because I'm assuming they already got this door unlocked over here. Nope. Not yet. I'm gonna hope Sissy's doing her job over there. She's feeding Gramps. Alright. So she's gonna stick on Jin's side. I'm imagining one's gonna come up on this door right about now. Yep. Got her. Alright. Nice. Nancy got one. Nice job, Nancy. I'm just gonna go over here. If you still close. I'm assuming Nancy spotted her over there with her ability. Yeah. Yep. Damn, I didn't even hear the battery go off. Oh well. Leatherface on Nancy's house. Let's see what kind of damage we can do here. Ripping and tearing until the job's done. Get up on there, Leland. Alright. Meat coming up for you, Grandpa. Destroy this. I just saw one fall down right here. Bye, Danny. See you, buddy. Should have gotten out quicker. Off of that door. Ah, I see you. I see you. Damn. Unless. Oh, you're lucky. You're lucky. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave the basement now. Let's hope our teammates upstairs are doing their jobs. Locked. Locked. Alright, I'm gonna come around this way. Get rid of this. Okay, the house still locked down. Got her. This is what you get for stabbing Grandpa! Oh. No, Nancy! Behind you! Nancy! Oh no! Survive, Nancy, survive! I think Virginia ran back downstairs. So I'm not gonna worry about it. Oh shit. Wow, well played, Julie, well played. I'm gonna go make sure someone's not on the battery. Okay. I don't see anybody. Okay. Oh, wait. That's right. There's only 2 left. Okay. Virginia's dead. So you know what? You know what I'm gonna try? Stealth Leatherface. It only works sometimes. But goddammit, when it works, it's beautiful. Just gonna wait right here. Let's see if she shows up. Unironically, Leatherface is one of the stealthiest characters in this game because he doesn't actually have a lot of voice lines. Nancy, go away. This is my cover. Go away, Nancy. Go away. We're good. Oh shit. Oh shit, she got the battery. Or the generator. Is she making a run for it? I think it's a distraction. I think it's a distraction. Oh, I want this to happen so badly. Come on, Julie. You know you want to do the battery. Come on, Julie. Come on, Julie. Grandpa, no. She stepped Grandpa! You bastard! Okay, then do you think she'll come to the fuse? Or do you think now she goes for the battery? She did go for the battery! I should have stayed! Oh my god! Oh my god, she did end up going for the battery. God damn it, man. I knew she would. I fucking knew it. I knew it. Ah, god damn it. Fuck. Ah, shit. Okay, let's get into the next game. Damn it, man. That would have been so sick. Back on the gas station with Leatherface. Didn't hit. Alright. Move around this way. Already upstairs. Bones, I think we better be getting out. Got him. Come here, Danny. Eat this chainsaw for me. Come here, Virginia. God damn it, her ability is so fucking dumb. Because you can't rev your chainsaw while you do it. Yeah, fuck you, Virginia. She tried to make more powder mid-chase. Check fuse. Oh, Sunny. Well done. Dodged well. Okay. I think he decided to give up. Connie. Oh, Connie. Well, GG's all. Fuck yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I had a blast playing these games with Leatherface. It's just so fun to play him and getting those kills and his executions. It's just fun. One of my favorite characters in the game and one of my favorite characters in like the horror genre. So he's just so fun to play. If you ever get this game, play him. It's so much fun. But with that, please leave a like, subscribe if you watched all the way through. Thank you very much. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.